Hello children, today we are going to see the explanation of lesson number 6 parts of a plant. In this lesson we are going to study about the parts of a plant: root, the stem, the leaf, the flower, the fruits and seeds. We are going to discuss in this lesson. Plants also have a different parts like that of a human body. Now how it is a human body, they are having the different parts. Now how we people are having the ears, nose, hands, legs to walk, to chew food, teeth are there. Like this way plants also they are having the different parts. The plant is basically divided into two parts, the root system and the shoot system. You can see here, they give you a diagram. Above the ground, it is the shoot system. Okay, above the ground, whatever you are visible part of the plants, it is known as a shoot. Don't get confusion. What is the visible part above the ground? It is known as a shoot system. That is, in that all it will come: flowers, stem, bud, fruit, branches. Like this way branches are there. This is a leaf. This is all it will come in a shoot system. And in a root system, only roots. Below the ground, whatever inside the ground that is there, that is known as a root system. The parts of the plant that grows above the ground, whatever above the ground it is there, that is known as a shoot system. And whatever below the soil it is there, that is known as a root system. You can see here. This is a shoot system, upper part. It is a root system. The root is further divided into the many parts like a stem, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits and buds. Now the root system is mainly shoot system is mainly divided into the many parts. So you can see here. Flowers, it will come in a shoot system. Stem, bud, fruit, branches, leaf. The root are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. Now here you can see there taproot. Okay, this is the first diagram. It is a taproot and this is a fibrous. Okay, these roots are called as a fibrous and this is a taproot. Now we are going to see the first taproot. When a main root grows from the end of the stem and various other small roots grows from its sides, it is a taproot. Now you can see here, this is the main root. Okay, main root, it is growing from the stem, upper side. It is a inside the soil, it is upper side, it is a stem. From this stem, the sides roots came from the stems only. Okay, side roots came. This type it is known as a taproot. They are like a balsam tree, bean and mustard have the taproots. Okay, these three types of trees are having the taproot. Okay, now we will move for the fibrous root. Fibrous root. When a number of roots grows from the end of the stem, it is a fibrous root. Plants like rice, wheat, onion and grass etc. have a fibrous root. Here you can see the roots came, all the roots you can see here, they came from the stem only here. stem is there, from this only all the roots came here. That is known as a fibrous. And here from the main root, that's afterwards it will start to divide. Okay, it is known as a taproot. And from the main stem only all roots will come. That is known as a fibrous root. Functions of the root. The root performs very important function. They will perform a very important function. They hold the plant firmly in the ground. They will hold. Family means what, children? It will not loosely. It will hold tightly. Tightly it will hold, not loosely. It will catch the ground very tightly. The roots will catch the ground very tightly. Family means what? It is not a loose. It will not leave the loose. They spread out in the soil and absorb water and mineral needed for the growth of the plants. Now this, you can see here, these roots will spread in the ground and they can be absorb water from all the sides and a mineral for all the sides, because it is very important for the growing. Some roots store food for the plants like carrot, radish and turnip. We eat these roots as a vegetable. Now some roots are there. They will store the food. You can see here. Carrot, turnip and radish. These people will eat. Carrot, most probably all knows carrot. Radish also. Turnip. Sometimes we can hear this name. Roots prevent soil erosion by holding the soil and saving it from flowing away with the flow of water. Now erosion means what? The fact soil, stone, etc. being gradually, it will not allow to the flow. That is known as a erosion. The stem. The stem grows above the ground. It will go above the ground. The main function of the stem is to hold the plants upright and supports its branches. It carries water and mineral absorbed by the root up to the leaves. In the same way, it carries food prepared by the leaves up to all the parts of the plants. The stem grows above the ground. You can see the stem grown above the ground. The main function of the stem is hold the plant upright and supports its branches. Upright means straight. It should be hold straight and support all the branches. It carries water and mineral absorbed by the root up to the leaves. It will carry the water and mineral, whatever absorbed from the leaves. In the same way, it carries food prepared by the leaves up to all the parts of the food. Whatever food will prepare from the leaves, it will carry for all the parts of the plant. So children, today's homework is you have to read the page number 42 and 43 5 times.